Well, as far as the जांच होनी चाहिए demand that is now being made, the BJP too is accusing the Samajwadi Party of betraying the Beti for vote bank. They are defending the accused in this case as it reflects that boys will be boys. लड़के हैं, लड़की है, लड़के गलतियां करते हैं, to which the BJP believes is the mindset of the Samajwadi Party.
अखिलेश यादव जी और इनके चचा शिवपाल जी, ये दोनों लोग केवल अभियान भ्रमित करने के लिए और अपने वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए है, उन अपराधियों को बचाने के लिए है। समाजवादी पार्टी को तो इतिहास रहा है। मुलायम सिंह जी ने कहा था जब 4 आदमियों को फांसी की सजा हुई रेप और हत्या में बॉम्बे केस में, तो उन्होंने कहा बच्चों से गलती हो जाती है और हमें इतनी कड़ी सजा नहीं देनी चाहिए। तो इस पार्टी की तो परिपाटी है। और जहां तक अखिलेश यादव की बात है, ये तो अपने वोट बैंक के लिए आतंकवादियों के साथ खड़े रहते हैं।
समाजवादी पार्टी का हाथ और साथ हमेशा बलात्कारी और महिला उत्पीड़न करने वालों के साथ, और समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता इसका बचाव कर रहे हैं। ना वो इसका इस्तीफा ले रहे, ना उसे पार्टी से बाहर निकाल रहे, ना अखिलेश जी, डिम्पल यादव जी, समाजवादी पार्टी के बड़े नेताओं ने इसका खंडन किया है। मोहित खान पर इंडी अलायंस भी अपने मुंह पर गोंद लगाकर बैठा है।
Well, Adeeb is with us right now. Adeeb, good morning. Help us understand as far as why is it taking so long for the Samajwadi Party to come and say something when it comes to Mohit Khan. They have been talking about some internal inquiry, but when will that be over? Bulldozer तो चल चुका है अयोध्या में.
Well, see, Mita, Samajwadi Party is in a way trying to defend the accused in Ayodhya gang rape case. Samajwadi Party is saying that they have given the responsibility to their district unit to conduct the investigation and then take an action against the accused. But they are taking too long to take any action against the accused. Even after days have passed, but there is still no action from the Samajwadi Party side on the rape accused. They have not expelled him from the party. He is still holding the post that he has been given in the party, and it was Akhilesh Yadav first to raise the issue for the DNA test, and after that several leaders of Samajwadi Party are pointing out that there should be a DNA test and including DNA test including the narco test. In fact, Shivpal Yadav, who is the senior Samajwadi Party leader, also went on to say that this is a conspiracy to sabotage Samajwadi Party votes in the upcoming bypolls. The bypoll is scheduled to take place in the Milkipur constituency of Ayodhya. So BJP is trying to sabotage the Samajwadi Party polls in Ayodhya.
All right. Everything that has now been leaked when it comes to the upcoming bypolls, even when it comes to this gang rape case that had been going on for several months, but no action was taken on it. And when now action is now being taken on it, while the girls, the minors' character is being assassinated. Adeeb, thank you very much for the moment. Let's